Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious Chipotle roasted red snapper fish recipe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start by marinating our fish. Here I have 2 red snappers already washed and prepped. Here I'll be using some salt, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, sazon, Old Bay seasoning, fresh green seasoning, and a little Chipotle sauce. So basically what you want to do here is combine all of the ingredients, and this will be used as the marinade for our fish. Next, you want to coat the fish real well with that marinade. Then we're going to cover it and place it into the refrigerator to marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Next, you want to place your fish on a wire rack, and we're going to stuff it with some bell peppers and onions. This is optional, but it brings great flavor to the fish. Once we are done, we're going to place this in a 425-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or so. After about 40 minutes, the fish is perfectly roasted and it smells absolutely divine. What I like to do is brush some melted butter over the top, because it can seem a bit dry because the skin is nice and crispy. So we're going to brush that melted butter over top for moisture, and we can serve this up and enjoy. Super simple and easy, but absolutely delicious. And I serve this up with some stir-fried vegetables and spinach rice. This is a recipe I did for Mother's Day past, and people was asking me to do the recipe separately so they don't have to watch the entire dinner video. So that's what I did. I just posted the recipe separately, and yeah, the fish was nice and moist on the inside, but crispy and delicious on the outside. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.